So today I'm gonna explain to you how to replace the main board. Actually, this is the classic, we developed like a 2012, 2013, so it might be looking a little bit different, but almost like similar. So, okay, so I'm gonna explain to you. First, prepare 2.5 and disassemble all the screws in here. 1, 2, 3, side of here 4, 5, and 6. After then, you disconnect all the cables through here. Every cable is in here. Okay, later then, I'm gonna reattach all the cables through here. But before then, you need to disassemble the laser optic a little bit, like lift it up, because of the screw above of the floorboard. The screw location is under of the laser. It going like this way, so laser usually like make it through this inside of here. So I just want to show you that you need to take off the laser and fix the screws through here. I hope you can see well.